Have you ever soared through the air on a roller coaster, spun in circles on a teacup ride, or dropped straight down on a tower ride? These thrilling moments aren't just fun, they're full of science. Every amusement park ride is powered by hidden systems that use forces and machines to create motion, speed, and safety. At the heart of every ride is a mechanical system, a group of parts that work together to perform a function. These systems often rely on simple machines, like pulleys, gears, and levers, to move people and equipment efficiently. Take a roller coaster, for example. When the ride begins, a pulley system often pulls the train up the first hill. A pulley is a wheel with a rope or chain looped around it. As the motor turns the pulley, the train gets pulled uphill. That uphill climb builds gravitational potential energy, energy that's stored because of height. As soon as the train crests the hill and starts to fall, gravity takes over and pulls it down, turning stored energy into motion. Now let's look at a spinning ride. Some use gears to rotate the cars. Gears are toothed wheels that interlock. When one gear turns, it moves another. This helps control the speed and direction of spinning parts. Friction, the resistance between two surfaces, is also important. It slows the ride down when needed and keeps it from spinning out of control. Or think about a ride that lifts and drops a seat. That could involve a lever, a simple machine with a bar that pivots on a point called a fulcrum. Levers make it easier to lift or move heavy objects by changing the amount of force needed. Every part of a ride is designed with forces in mind. Gravity pulls riders down hills. Friction helps slow them down at the right moment. Mechanical advantage, a key idea in systems, means using machines to multiply force so that a small input can create a big effect. Now it's your turn to design a ride of your own. Here's your creative challenge. You're going to draw your own amusement park ride and label its mechanical systems. Then, write a paragraph that explains how the ride works using simple machines and scientific forces. Design a ride that uses at least two simple machines, like pulleys, gears, or levers. Label the parts of your ride that show how it moves or lifts using those machines. Use terms like mechanical system, gravity, friction, or mechanical advantage in your explanation. Describe how the forces and machines work together to make the ride safe and exciting. Make sure your paragraph matches the ride you've drawn and uses accurate science vocabulary.